Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new topic that I think you'll find really interesting. In 2026, money is moving faster than ever. The difference is strategy. In this video, I will show you exactly how to grow your income even from zero. Let's begin. 10 years ago, a good degree meant a secure future. Today, that idea is disappearing. Companies are cutting staff, automation is replacing tasks. Businesses hire freelancers. Inflation reduces money's value. Relying on one income is risky. Use leverage to multiply effort. Learn a high-income digital skill. The fastest way to increase your income is to increase your value. If you have a skill that solves a problem, people will pay you. Digital skills like video editing and AI content creation are gold. Other gold skills include script writing, graphic design, social media management, website building, online advertising, dropshipping, and selling online. You don't need a university degree. The key is mastering one skill. Pick one skill, practice every day, and build projects. Offer free work to build experience, then start charging. One focused skill can change your financial life. Cash flow gives you options. Scalable income is better. A faceless online business makes money without showing your face. Affiliate sites, print on demand, and digital products. Some powerful faceless business ideas include YouTube automation channels, TikTok theme pages, and AI-generated content platforms. These businesses work because they use systems instead of time. You create content or products once, but once momentum starts, income can grow quickly. The secret is patience and consistency. Combine your digital skills with a faceless business and you multiply your income power. Ownership creates freedom. Income pays bills. If you save money only, inflation slowly eats it. Investing allows your money to work for you. Simple investment options include index funds, dividend stocks, mutual funds, real estate partnerships, small business investing. The goal is not gambling, it's steady growth. Start small, invest regularly, and stay consistent. Time in the market beats timing the market. Artificial intelligence is one of the biggest opportunities in history. People who use AI properly will outperform those who ignore it. AI can help you write faster, edit videos automatically, design graphics, analyze data, automate customer support, generate ideas, scale content production. Even one AI tool mastered deeply can double your productivity. Even this video and myself was generated by AI. Use it as a partner, not a crutch. Never depend on only one source of income. When you have multiple streams, you reduce risk. Each stream strengthens the others. Your streams may include skill income, business income, investment income, digital product income, affiliate income. Your goal is balance, not burnout. Your mindset controls your money. If you spend everything you earn, you stay trapped. If you reinvest and grow, wealth is built slowly, then suddenly. Successful people track expenses, delay gratification, invest consistently, learn continuously, avoid toxic debt, think long-term. Discipline beats motivation. If you want more money in 2026, build one asset, invest consistently, use technology wisely, your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more real strategies on making money and financial freedom. Comment below, what income stream are you starting this year?